Good morning, students. Welcome to the IT visual class. Today we will see the questions, MCQ and fill in the blanks questions. So I hope I hope all of you are well at your home and all of you are preparing for unit test exam. So today, okay. So let's start the question answers. From web application. So all of you note down in your copies, and these are the important question, and yes, you read the chapter also thoroughly from the book, and you have got a reference book, I think, so you read that books. Okay, so first fill in the blanks. All of you just see. Number 1, people suffering from dash impairment have partial or total loss of vision. Answer will be visual. Number 2, accessibility options are available in the dash section in the settings window. Answer, universal access. Number 3, sticky keys allows the user to press and release a dash key, modifier key. Okay. Number 4, a dash is a computer that responds to requests from other computer. That is server. Server is a computer which responds to requests from other computers. Number 5, a dash is a computer that uses services and resources provided by other computers and servers. So that will be client. Client is a computer that uses services and resources provided by other computers and servers. Okay. Number 6, a dash is a group of connected devices. It will be network. Network is a group of connected devices. Okay. Number 7, a dash is a main and powerful computer connected to a network server. That is the main and powerful computer which is connected to a network through which other computers can get the resources, can get the all files and other resources. Okay. Number 8, a dash is a large computer network made up of smaller networks such as 2 or more MANs. MAN, I am sure all of you know this. MAN, metropolitan area networks. So the answer will be WAN. WAN is a large computer network made up of smaller networks such as 2 or more MANs. Okay. Now question number 9. Dial-up connections make use of a specialized device known as modem. Next, dash helps you to connect to the internet through an existing phone line. It will be DSL, that is digital subscriber line. It helps you to connect to the internet through an existing phone line. Number 11, dash instant messaging software are downloaded and installed on the user's device. Application based instant messaging software are downloaded and installed on the user's device. We have seen that discussed that IM is of two types, application based and web based. So here it will be application based. Next is dash is an application based instant messaging software, WhatsApp or Hike. These are the application based instant messaging software. Dash is an web based instant messaging software. It will be Google Hangout or Yahoo Messenger, Skype. These are the web based instant messaging software. Okay. Web based IM software are accessed through browsers. Next is Google Hangout. Number 15. Google Hangouts is a web-based dash service, instant messaging service. Next is Hangouts. Gives you a dash whenever anyone is trying to contact you. Notification. It gives you a notification. when anyone is trying to contact with you, then it will give the notification. Next is a blog. Number 17. A blog was originally called weblog. Number 18. WordAss is a collection of related web pages. That is website. Website is a collection of related web pages. And first page, when you are opening the website, then the first page of any website is called home page. Next is the art of writing very short blog posts is called microblogging. Okay. Next is Dash is an online shopping portal for buying consumer products. That will be Amazon. Amazon is an online shopping portal for buying consumer products. That may be Flipkart also, or any other online shopping portal you can write over here. Next, dash symbol in the address bar is an indication of a secure website. Padlock. This symbol is in the address bar is an indication of, if this symbol is there before that website, then that means it is a secured website. Next is, apart from online payment, some shopping website allow option. It will be cash on delivery. Next, dash refers to the process of converting the data into a form called ciphertext, which cannot easily be understood by the unauthorized people. Answer will be encryption. Encryption refers to this process. Dash are software programs that are designed to slow down a system or to damage the operating system. That is virus. Virus is a software program which is designed to slow down or damage your computer, that is the operating system. Okay, so that's all for today. Next day we will discuss the next questions. Thank you.